Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code extension which allows you to keep track of how much time you basically are doing coding right inside your VS Code. So this is the extension DeveZen. It's fairly new extension. Simply activate this, and after activating this extension, it will tell you the real-time statistics about your development, how much time you are doing. Now you can open this panel. First of all, just log in with this. So here you just need to log in with your GitHub account. So, so after logging inside your GitHub account, you will see. So login is successful. So now it will tell you the weekly, monthly, yearly statistics, how much time you are actually uh, consuming VS Code by writing code here. So current streak, it will tell you the amount of minutes. Right here it will show side by side, lines added, lines removed, net lines, everything, total statistics will be displayed right here. So it is a very useful VS Code extension. It will exactly tell you how much time you are visiting your VS Code, so how much code you are writing. So every statistics it will be showing you. So as you can see, so you can see current streak, it will show you the amount of minutes. So it's a fairly good extension. You can see it is telling you amount of time you visited, 24 second. So definitely install this extension guys, which keep you track about your coding statistics. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.